Okay, look. The cost of producing X kilograms of gold is a function of the X kilograms. Okay, so it's a relationship between cost and the amount of gold. So there's some kind of a relationship between cost and some amount of kilograms of gold. They're saying that is there's some rule. It's a functional rule. That's all they're saying. So instead of saying some general rule, a functional rule has to give you only one return, right? For every time you put in a kilogram, certain amount of kilogram of gold, it'll give you exact price. I didn't give you the formula by saying there is something. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, is that enough for us to talk about what the derivative means? So what is that? What does this mean? So this is the instantaneous change. So general slope is this. Change in cost divided by change in the kilogram, right? The derivative means instantaneous cost divided by the instantaneous change in the kilogram. So derivative is always a rate concept. So what is a unit, by the way, then? This is going to be dollars per kilogram. So look, here's the derivative function, okay? dc over dx is equal to this. Now what it's doing is this. So in here, if I put in like 2 kilograms, it'll give you some number. What does that number represent? So the formal definition of what that is an instantaneous rate of change for cost at 2 kilograms. Okay. So what this approximates is that when you're changing from like 2 kilogram to produce like, let's say 2.1 kilogram, right? The extra amount of money that it takes to produce that 0.1 kilogram will be about that much right there, what you get from putting the 2 kilogram into the derivative. Okay. So in real life, this is how it actually works, right? When you're producing gold in the beginning, you have to dig a hole in the mountain, right? Do you get any gold? You have to put all this money in, people working for you, like you hired 100 people to dig a hole in the mountain with all this equipment. But then you're not getting any money. You're not getting any gold. But later on, when there's gold all around the mine, you found the spot, right? What happens? The cost goes down. You just get you get 5 people to dig gold, then you get a ton of gold. Right? So that's why something like this is more realistic in real life. It doesn't tell you the exact. It changes continuously depending on which stage you are in the process of mining the gold.